Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix battery drain issue on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. First of all, let's open settings on this phone and let's go straight to the battery menu in here. Well, the first most obvious thing that we can do to reduce the battery draining is enabling the power saving mode by selecting this option. We can also customize it in the custom menu and select what exactly we want to do here. If you want to reduce battery draining even more, we can also enable the feature we have right here at the bottom, like sleep standby optimization, video battery saver, turning on visual blur, and turning off double tap to wake. So basically you can adjust this menu to your needs, and this way you will reduce the battery draining by at least a couple of hours. Besides, let's also look right here. In this menu we can check the battery usage during the last 24 hours as well as last 7 days, and I think even more extended periods are available here. But basically what we can do here is detect which applications drain the most battery on our smartphone, and in order to restrict these applications in some way, we're gonna have to go to apps menu on this phone, then go to the app management, right, and then if select the application that drains your battery, go to battery usage, and then switch to smart mode to restrict background activity. Now don't do that to social media apps or basically applications that you need to get urgent notifications from. Well, I mean, not all the time, but even sometimes, because restricting background activity will either delay notifications for these applications or even just stop them for these apps. So do not do that with I do not recommend doing this for apps like Messages or Messengers or WhatsApp, Instagram, you name it. Now the next thing that we can do to reduce the battery drain, especially in a long time periods, is go to battery health, and first of all we can check the maximum capacity in here. Now if this number is significantly lower than 100, if this number is closer to like 70%, then at this point you should definitely replace the battery at your in your smartphone at certified service center. So just go to the certified service center and ask them to replace battery in your smartphone, and this will ultimately will remove the battery draining issue from your smartphone. Because if your maximum battery capacity is way too low, well, there's not much that you can do about it. You can only extend this to some limit, which most probably will not satisfy your needs anyway. So one thing we can do here is enable either smart charging or enable the custom charging limit. We have to select one option, so we cannot have two at once, because they basically work in a different way. So if you have some sort of routine of using your device and charging your device, if you charge your device every single day at the same time, then you can enable smart charging, because this will basically adapt your device's charging to your habits. And what it means is that this feature will not let your smartphone stay overcharged while connected to the charging cable. Instead, it will basically charge your device to the point of 80%, and then much more slowly charge it to 100%, so that it finishes right about the time when you usually pick up your phone and unplug it from the charging cable. And if you don't have a routine, if you just like to randomly charge your device, you can enable custom charging limit and set it to, well, for example, 90%. This way your phone simply will not go over 90% of charging, which will prevent battery draining in a long-term period, but you will only have 90% of your original battery capacity. Yeah, that prevents your device's battery damage, and it will make your battery live much longer. So yeah, the smart charging seems like a pretty convenient choice, and convenient for most users, especially considering that it will not limit your battery charging capacity. But still, you can use this one if you just want to reduce your battery aging and have a pretty stable battery capacity. Now, what we can do besides is enable, for example, the dark mode, which you can do in display and brightness section. So just go here and enable dark mode for this display type. This will significantly reduce your battery drainage, but it might just not be convenient for some users to use dark mode, especially in bright conditions. Now also go to sound and vibration, go to haptics, and disable them. I mean, haptics are cool, but they also drain your battery, and disabling them is sacrificing basically nothing for having a battery that lives longer. And the other one thing we can do is remove the bloatware from our smartphones. So many smartphones, including this one, come with different pre-installed applications, and we can remove them either from the apps menu or from the apps menu in settings. So if you want to uninstall applications like Netflix, for example, which I'm pretty sure is a pre-installed application, we just have to hold your finger down on this app, select uninstall, and uninstall Netflix. And this way we can ensure to uninstall all the bloatware from the smartphone that we don't need. And that's basically it for this video. So I hope that it helped you, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.